test. Cap on the bottom. I'll try and get it to light because the gas was shut off at the main. You can't even see the spark back in there. Alright, now it doesn't want to light. Let's try it again. Let's see what's going on.
There's no flame?
No, it came up the first time. So I gotta do some more work on it. Figure out what it is. Sometimes when you turn the gas on and off, it'll release a tiny little bit of sediment. It's in the pipe, and it can block the. There's a little pilot tube. It can block that pilot tube, and it won't let the gas out. So it could be something like that. I don't really see the spark. I didn't really see the spark the first time, but it did come up. So it could just be blocked a little bit. That is really weird. Okay, so I went out to check the meter, and it looked like the gas was off. Because it was in the alternating position. And so I turned it on, and now it's like it's off. I don't know what the hell is going on here. We're gonna go check some things. Okay, so apparently I'm not a very good plumber. Every time this guy calls me, his gas is turned off. So it's on here now, in line. It was off here, so we turn that on, and we'll see what's going on. I imagine there's nobody living in that other unit, right? Yeah. Because they would have complained. But we'll see what's going on. We'll see if we can get it lit now. I just want to make sure that you know, turning that gas on doesn't create a problem, because it was shut off in 2 spots. So. Oops. Okay. That'll have to do with it here. Forgot to reconnect the pilot tube. I need to get it together, man. I still don't see any spark. Or flame or anything else. Okay, it's on though. We got a blue light, so there was no gas. Once again, one of Kenneth's properties, the gas is turned off. So this is 2 in a row. So, okay, solve that problem. Check fuel. And the other problem is this leaking temperature pressure relief line that they capped off. So that's got to get fixed. Pressure. Oh, okay. So,
the wires are good. The wires and
down here?
yeah.
Yeah, everything's okay. You had some water. You had a lot of water.
Oh.
You know, it's from here.
Because it's leaking out.
This is dripping, it's dripping into here. So there was a lot of water, so I vacuumed that out.
Oh, okay.
But there's no water in here.
Oh,
And that's what affects the water heater. But
okay, gotcha.
yeah, it just didn't have any gas. So somebody shut the gas off, that shut the water heater, somebody came to light it, you or whoever, and you couldn't get it lit. And then whoever came, but what's going on is this this is leaking right here for whatever reason. So let me empty this. And we'll try and get to the bottom of what's going on. I do have them. A new one is always better, but you know, I got ones that are pretty good.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, so we removed the pipe and got the water out of the pipe and tapped on the temperature pressure relief line, and it doesn't seem to be leaking right now. So we turn the water heater on. The water heater running, and we'll see if that doesn't create the pressure that's causing it to leak. Alright, so we just did a service call here in La Jolla. I'm on La Jolla Village Drive over in Windansea. And this is a customer of mine, a client of mine who calls me on a regular basis. He owns a bunch of properties. Some of them are down at the ocean down here. And the last time he called me out, his gas was shut off. So he has people come out and do maintenance on the house. And it looks like that's what happened again. Someone came out, did maintenance on the house, and turned the gas off. So we diagnosed that and got that repaired and got the gas turned back on. And then he was saying that water was coming from the temperature pressure relief line. We looked at that line. That line had a shark bite cap on the bottom. So I just tapped on that temperature pressure relief valve a few times and went over and looked at the main coming out. He does not have a pressure regulator on his main. So I told him that if the symptom comes back and it keeps dripping again, that he needs to put a new one on, and if that starts dripping, then he probably needs to put a pressure regulator on his house to just get the pressure under control. So yeah, 2 in a row with this, but you know, it's easy. I was underneath there and thinking about, oh, it's probably a blocked a blocked screen or it's not getting enough oxygen. And then I thought to myself, like, hey, you know, the last time I did a service call for Kenneth, the gas was shut off. So I better go check that, and sure enough, it was shut off. So anyway, thank you for watching. Consider subscribing to the channel, and have a great day.
Dime que también lloran tus ojitos cuando preguntan por nosotros. Dime que piensas en mí.